Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stir-fry prawns. First, ensure your prawns are properly prepared. Take about 1 pound of raw prawns, thaw them if frozen, and pat them completely dry. This step is crucial for a good sear. Next, chop all your desired vegetables like bell peppers and snap peas into uniform bite-sized pieces. Finally, whisk together your stir-fry sauce, combining soy sauce, fresh ginger, minced garlic, and a dash of sesame oil. Now, let's get those prawns perfectly cooked. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large skillet over high heat until it shimmers. Add your prepared prawns in a single layer, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they turn a beautiful pink and become opaque. Once cooked, immediately remove the prawns from the pan and set them aside. With the prawns set aside, it's time for the vegetables. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil to the hot pan. Start by stir-frying harder vegetables like carrots or broccoli for about 2 minutes. Then, add softer vegetables such as bell peppers and snap peas, cooking for another 1 to 2 minutes until crisp tender. Finally, pour in your pre-mixed stir-fry sauce. Let it simmer for approximately 30 seconds, allowing it to thicken slightly and coat the vegetables. Almost done. Now, gently return the perfectly cooked prawns to the pan with the sauced vegetables. Toss everything together for about 1 minute, ensuring the prawns are thoroughly coated in the flavorful sauce and heated through. This final step brings all the wonderful components together. Serve your vibrant and delicious prawn, stir-fry immediately over a bed of fluffy steamed rice or your favorite noodles for a complete and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.